This project is owned by a Taco Bell franchise. This was one where hail had damaged almost 50 of their stores. Prior to Everboard coming on, we used different types of coverboard by different manufacturers. And all of those coverboards, yeah, they were itchy, they were heavy, they didn't hold up to hail impact as well. Once Everboard came on, we tried it for the first time and my crew loved it. They were able to carry 2 of them at the same time. They were able to cut it a lot easier. None of it ever itched. Plus, they were kicking the corners, and all of us who do roofing install know they kick the corners, it could chip it, not with the Everboard. So not only do we have a great product that the crews like to install, we like having it, but we found that it also was great for the customer because it has the highest PSI rating of any coverboard, which gives it that high hail impact rating. Once we had landed on Everboard, we won't use any other.